What's up, Low Bros here. In this episode of the Subaru build, we're going to be doing some brake improvements. As you can see here, I have the grimmspeed master cylinder brace. Where is it? Right here. And I also have the Detroit axle rear slotted rotors with brake pads. So yes sir, let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is slap on that grimmspeed master cylinder brace. First I'm gonna show you how much this thing actually moves so you guys can see what actually it's gonna improve. So let me slap this on a tripod, hit the brake a couple times so you guys can see that master cylinder movement. Alright, as you can see, the mount actually uses the original fuel filter bolt holes. You just put your fuel filter right back on top, how it was, bolt that in. And then there's two bolts back here. I also had to bend this brake line out of the way, off from the frame a little bit. Alright, here's the piece installed. It's a very good looking piece, but who cares how it looks. Let's see what it does performance wise. Let's see how much this thing moves now that we have it on there and all tightened up. I'm gonna grab the tripod, get a good angle on it, and we'll check it out. Got the tripod set up, aimed right at the master cylinder. I'm gonna pump the brakes a few times and we're gonna see how much it actually improved. Somebody's bumping. But yeah, there we go. Let's see. I'm gonna go back and watch the video and see how much it actually improved.
Alright guys, time for the Detroit axle. Go ahead and just get First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and pop this caliper off. Pretty simple. There's a few bolts back here on the bracket. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pop the caliper off, slap the new rotor on, brake pads, and we're good to go.
Alright, so it got dark the other night. Just wanted to give you guys a nice view of the new slotted and drilled rotors. Look a lot better than the old ones. I couldn't really finish filming last night. It got really dark and I had to wrap it up. So I just slapped them on there real quick. Obviously going to be a big improvement compared to the old ones. As you can see, these things were shot the fuck out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install a nice little shift boot and shift knob and old girl. Let's do it. Let's see, I got a new shift boot, a new shift knob, and man, it looks like I want to be Vanilla Ice. And I got the OEM shifter linkage. So yeah, that's gonna be nice. New shifter U-joint here. As you can see, it's sloppier than the whole house on a Saturday night. It really needs that. So yeah, I'm gonna get started by taking this out, super gluing this on there.
I got screws out. All I gotta do is pop this out. Move this out the way. I don't know. What's out of them? Alright, real simple. All we're gonna do is super glue the edges down to the bottom, like so. Very simple, so yeah, I'll show you the finished product. I'm just using some good old, the original Super Glue Corporation. I'm shouting out here. You guys send me a sponsor, you do what you gotta do, but I use the original Super Glue. To the beat, back to the rhyme. Hey, okay, let's go. That's the flow. I think that's Super Glue, ain't let it go. Alright, here's how she looks. I feel like a little shark man, honestly. I'm not popping on there. It's just, I just super glue it all up on here. Doesn't have to be because you don't get colors, you know, see how I'm quick.
Alright, so me and Dylan got the shift boot and shift knob installed. I'm gonna move all this shitty ass cardboard out the way. It turned out, whoa, goddamn seat bracket broke. Alright, well, that's got to get fixed. But yeah, as I was saying, we got the shift boot and shift knob installed. As you can see, it actually turned out pretty good. I still have the automatic shifter bezel, so you know, it could look a lot better if I had the one actually for a manual. But considering I don't, it actually turned out pretty good. I'm going to tweak it a little bit, glue it a little bit more so it looks a little bit better. But, you know, it looks a lot better than not having one at all. Next thing we're going to do in the next video, we're going to install a new radio, new door speakers, and we're finally going to be putting some sound deadening on the roof and in the trunk. So definitely stay tuned, guys. I appreciate you guys watching all the videos. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. See, here's the sound deadening. This will all be getting put in the trunk and all up over the roof next video. So stay tuned.